gonna cook this duck and have a good time, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're here, my husband and I have an assistant with me today.
Hi guys.
Make sure you like, subscribe for more videos like this. Normally we do some DIY projects, but every now and then I like to get in the kitchen and cook, right?
Right, absolutely.
Okay, so it's New Year's Eve, right? 2020, and we want to end 2020 on a good note, so why not do it with a fresh duck? He's about 7 pounds, and we're gonna prepare him really good. The spices that we're gonna start off with, I hope you guys can see it. It's the cilantro, coarse black pepper, coarse pink salt, a shallot, an orange, 2 red potatoes, paprika, rosemary, and wine. You have to cook with wine, right?
Yeah, never leave the wine out.
Never leave the wine out. Okay, so we're gonna cook this, prepare it, and we're gonna come back and show you guys how we did it, okay? Thanks for joining us.
All right, thank you.
Okay, I've seen some people cut the tail, so I need my husband just in case, it's too tough for me to do it. This is the tail where the feathers were plucked and everything, and I've seen some people cut it. Why, I don't know, but I'm gonna cut this. Oh, not bad. Perfectly good piece of meat, but okay. Now that's cut. And now we're gonna put it in the pan. If you can hand me the pan.
Sure.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it, thanks babe.
Oh, you're welcome.
Now we're gonna put it in the oven. I know you guys saw me grab my onions because I didn't put it in the beginning of the video because I forgot, but yeah, I got my onions. And now we're gonna put the duck here in the pot. You make sure you tuck that neck, cause you know, that neck, that meat be hanging off in the back. Let me show y'all. See, I'm new to this. I didn't know the duck had this flap, because when I opened it up, actually, when I opened the package, when I got it from the grocery store, I was like, where is the head, or where was the head? Because there's no hole right there. So, you know, I'm used to like whole chickens and turkeys and things like that. So this was new for me. So now we're gonna stuff, if you can hand me the, thank you. We're gonna go ahead and stuff it. And you remember now I got these oranges right here, right? So you know what we did with the oranges. The oranges give it a good citrus flavor. So we just gonna enter that into the cavity of the duck. The shallot's gonna give it that nice, rich flavor, almost like upscale, fine dining. Okay, we're gonna put some onions in there. Those chopped onions. Babe, what do you call these onions? Because I don't know.
I think they're just green onions.
Oh, green onions, okay. Your green onions, you put your green onions in there. And the potatoes, we're gonna wait until the midway through. We're gonna wait for the potatoes. Okay, so remember guys, I told you guys you cannot cook without wine, right? So, we got some white wine. I guess any brand, you can use any brand wine. So, duck, let me tell you about duck. I'm just learning this, right? Okay, duck is rich in non-saturated fat. So it releases a lot of oils, and it's good to save those oils for when you bake in or when you want to cook again, and the recipe requires oil. So it's good to save that because it's really good. Really good, non-saturated fat, right? Okay, so now it has the wine, so we're letting that marinate. The wine is marinating in the duck, or the duck is marinating in the wine. So the duck is marinating in the wine, and we have the oven set for 375. It's preheated. It's been heating up now for about 20 minutes, so it's ready. And we're gonna cook this 6 pounds, about 6.5 pounds. We just checked. So we're gonna cook this baby in the oven for 26 minutes per half pound. So we'll be close to 3 hours on this duck, and then we will be back. All right, so I forgot to tie the legs together. So what I did was I just grabbed a piece of foil, rolled it up together. You know, don't be afraid to use what you have in the kitchen, because I know I've seen my mom use like a string or something like that that came with the meat. But, you know, we just have to make do what we have. And since my baby been marinating all those wine juices, he doesn't have any seasoning on the side. So I just want to make sure everything is seasoned evenly, so you can have a nice gourmet meal. All right, so now he's about to go into the oven. Are y'all ready for this? Preheated for 375 degrees. Put them in there, close that up, and we will be back. guys, we're back and the duck turned out perfect. So we went ahead and garnished it and everything. I hope you guys can see it because it smells so delicious. And I added my potatoes in maybe about an hour before the meal was ready. And the cilantro that I had, the dried cilantro, yeah, I went ahead and said, I don't want to do that. So I added some fresh cilantro over it because I love cooking with fresh ingredients. Can you guys see that there?
It looks good.
Thanks, babe. And I paired it with creamed spinach, which is really good, and macaroni and cheese. So this is our New Year's Eve dinner, and we hope you guys enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. When you try this at home, tell us what you think about the flavor and everything, because this is our first time, but we're so excited about tasting this. Can't wait.